So, science is one time based on analytical mind. So today we are going to learn about a new concept. This is parts of leaf. Look at this. It's a leaf. Today we are going to learn about parts of leaf. So first, tell me. We have already learned about the parts of plants and also parts of flowers. First, tell me what is plant. Can you tell me what is plant? Plant is a living thing which cannot move like us. Okay? Plant gives us oxygen, it's a fresh air, and gives us fruits, flowers, fibers, wood. Yeah? So plant is very helpful. So first tell me how many parts of plants are there? How many parts of plants are there? 6 parts. Which are these? Leaf. Very good. The underground part of the plant is called root. And which part is present? Upper portion of the ground. This portion is called shoot part. This portion is called shoot part. This shoot part divided into different parts like stem, branches, flowers, fruit and leaves. Clear? So it's a root part which is present under the ground, and it's a shoot part which is present upper portion of the ground, and the shoot part divided into different parts like stem, branches, flowers, fruits and leaves. Now can you tell me how many parts of flowers are there? 4. Very good. Which are this? Stem, sepals, petals and bud. Very good. Stem, sepal, petal and bud. The colorful portion of the flower is called petal and the green color portion is called sepal. Now we are going to learn about parts of leaf. First, we look the leaves closely. Yeah. Now look at this portion. This flatted like portion which is expanded. This expanded or flat like portion is called leaf base. Look at this portion. This portion is called leaf base. Now look at this standing like portion. Standing line, it look like a standing line. This portion is called midrib. This portion is called midrib. And look at the straight line portion which is produced from the midrib. These are called a lateral vein. These are actually vein. It's called lateral vein. This veins carries water and mineral to the leaves. This veins carries water and mineral to the leaves to produce food for plants. Okay. Tip of the leaf is called? Apex. The tip of the leaf is called? Apex. So now tell me what is the color of leaf? Green. What is the color of leaf? Green. What is the color of leaf? Green. Green. Why? It is not a black color or red color? Because of chlorophyll. So what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green color pigment which is present in the leaf. Okay, so chlorophyll is a green color pigment which is present in the leaf. That's why its color is green. But when
we turn off the light, then only it will change color.
Very good. When the plants cannot get enough sunlight, the color of the leaf will be changed into brown color or yellow color because leaves cannot produce chlorophyll without sunlight. That's why the color of leaves will be changed into brown color or yellow. If we put this plant in a room and the door will be closed and I will close all doors and windows, the color of leaves will be changed or not?
Yes.
Will it change or not? Yes. Because enough sunlight cannot reach here. That's why the color of leaf will be changed. Clear? So we'll come. Look at properly. Can you see the parts of leaf? Which part is this? Leaf base. And this standing like portion is called midrib. And this straight like portion which is produced from the midrib, these are called veins. And this part is called, which is deep portion of the part, this part is called apex. Thank you all of you.